Welcome to the fascinating world of the United States of America, 1-cent coin. This small but powerful piece of history has traveled through generations, telling the story of a nation's growth, resilience, and dreams. Join us as we uncover the hidden secrets, rare editions, and the incredible value that might just be hiding in your pocket today. Welcome to the fascinating world of the United States of America, 1-cent coin. This small but powerful piece of history has traveled through generations, telling the story of a nation's growth, resilience, and dreams. The 2006 United States of America 1-cent coin, often simply called the Lincoln penny, might seem like just another everyday coin slipping through your fingers. But hidden among these humble copper-plated treasures are a few incredibly rare pieces that could skyrocket your fortune beyond your wildest dreams. Some special varieties, rare minting errors, and secret mistakes have turned ordinary-looking 2006 pennies into coins worth millions today. If you have one of these extraordinary pieces, you could be standing on the doorstep of becoming a billionaire overnight. The beauty of the 2006 penny lies in the potential for rare mint errors that occurred during its production. Although 2006 was a standard year for the Lincoln Memorial design, certain coins show fascinating mistakes. Double dies, off-center strikes, broad strikes, or even being minted on the wrong metal planchets. These freak minting errors are the secret keys that unlock astronomical value. Coin collectors crave these unique flaws, and a simple penny with such an error can fetch more money than most people dream of earning in a lifetime. Adding to the excitement, there are rumors and legends in the coin world about ultra-rare 2006 experimental strikes, coins accidentally minted using older bicentennial materials from Canadian test planchets. These mysterious coins blend the world of Canadian bicentennial designs and American pennies, creating a hybrid collectible that few have ever seen. Such coins would be considered priceless, falling into the category of once-in-a-generation discoveries that could instantly make the lucky owner a multimillionaire. The condition of your 2006 penny can also make all the difference between pocket change and a payday that will blow your mind. If your coin is flawless, mint state, and untouched by circulation, especially graded at MS68 or MS69 by professional graders, it is already a rare gem. Combine that with a rare mint error or secret variation, and you've got a coin that could trigger bidding wars at major auctions, with top collectors willing to throw fortunes at you just for the privilege of owning it. Another fascinating possibility lies with the zinc issues of 2006. Pennies made primarily of zinc with a thin copper coating. Occasionally, mistakes occurred where the coating was incomplete, missing, or uneven, creating odd-looking coins that seem silver or discolored. These types of errors, especially when dramatic, are highly desirable. The rarer the visual anomaly, the higher the price soars. One unique, misstruck 2006 penny could easily leap from being a penny to being a $100,000 treasure or more. Many of the world's biggest coin success stories begin the same way, with an ordinary person checking their spare change, a dusty jar in the attic, or an inherited coin collection. One lucky glance can reveal a miracle hiding in plain sight. Your 2006 penny could be that miracle. What looks like a simple old coin could actually be an ultra-rare mint error, a missing layer coin, or even an experimental piece, and that would be enough to change your life forever. If you believe you possess one of these extraordinary 2006 United States 1-cent coins, don't make the mistake of selling it cheaply or rushing to a pawn shop. Instead, get it authenticated and graded by a trusted professional service like PCGS or NGC. Certification opens the door to elite auctions and private collectors who are ready to pay massive sums for a confirmed treasure. Without certification, the 1996 United States of America 1-cent coin, the classic Lincoln Memorial penny, may look ordinary to the untrained eye. But within this small copper-coated treasure lies the chance to change your life forever. While billions of 1996 pennies were minted, a few rare pieces hold the power to make you a millionaire. Even a billionaire. Overnight. If you have one of these exceptional coins hiding in your collection or tucked away in an old jar, it could be the silent fortune you've been waiting to uncover. 96 was a year of intense production for the U.S. Mint, but even the most careful processes can produce incredible errors. Some 1996 pennies feature jaw-dropping mistakes like double die strikes, off-center errors, and wrong planche strikes. Imagine discovering a 1996 penny where Lincoln's profile is ghosted twice, or where the lettering appears blurred or duplicated. These rare features aren't just curiosities, they're golden tickets to untold wealth. Such coins are so scarce that elite collectors will pay sky-high prices just to own one. Beyond errors, the condition of your 1996 penny is critical. A flawless specimen, one that gleams with its original mint luster, untouched by circulation, and graded MS68 or higher, is like finding a diamond in the rough. High-grade 1996 pennies without a single blemish can command incredible values on their own. But if you combine this pristine condition with a dramatic minting error, you suddenly have a coin worth millions. Perfect coins in perfect storms of rarity drive collectors into bidding frenzies that can change your destiny forever. There are also whispers of experimental strikes and transition coins around the mid-90s, as the mint tested different planches and processes. A 1996 penny struck on a dime planche, foreign blank, or an off-metal error could easily be worth millions today. These coins look slightly different in color, weight, or thickness, and while they may seem like oddities to most people, to serious collectors they are priceless treasures. Finding one would be like striking oil in your own backyard. Unexpected and unimaginably profitable. Another captivating layer to the story is the influence of Canadian bicentennial inspiration lingering through the 90s. Though Canada's bicentennial occurred decades earlier, there were continued celebrations of heritage and pride across both countries, and experimental designs or misplaced striking techniques were rumored to have occasionally crossed between mints. A 1996 U.S. penny showing any kind of unusual design element or composition inconsistency would cause an uproar in the collector world and fetch unimaginable prices at private auctions. If you think you might have a 1996 penny that feels a little lighter, heavier, different in color, or shows even the slightest error, protect it immediately. Do not clean it, do not try to alter it, and do not casually sell it to a random dealer. You must have it professionally graded and authenticated by top services like PCGS, NGC, or ANAX. Certification is the key to unlocking the highest value for your treasure, drawing in serious collectors and investors who are ready to offer life-changing amounts of money. Rare coins like these don't just end up in museums. They emerge from everyday life, found in old collections, change jars, wallets, and childhood piggy banks. You don't have to be an expert or a lifelong collector to stumble upon one. Fate often chooses ordinary people to receive extraordinary treasures. If your 1996 penny is the rare one, it could transform your life, freeing you from financial worry forever. Imagine starting your day an ordinary person and ending it with the world at your feet, all because of a simple coin. So, before you spend that 1996 penny or let it disappear into the hands of someone who doesn't know its worth, take a moment to look closer. Examine it, treasure it, and let it tell you its story. Because sometimes greatness is hidden in the smallest places, and the path to becoming a billionaire could be sitting quietly in your palm right now, waiting for the right person to recognize its incredible power. The 1993 United States of America 1-cent coin, better known as the Lincoln Memorial Penny, is often overlooked as just another small piece of copper in circulation. But what if I told you that lurking among the billions produced that year are rare, extraordinary examples that could turn you into a billionaire overnight? That's right. Hidden treasures from 1993 exist, and if you have one of these rarest forms, your life could change dramatically in a heartbeat. These coins are the golden tickets of modern numismatics, often lying unnoticed in ordinary pockets. During 1993, the U.S. Mint was producing coins at a fast and furious pace, but speed sometimes leads to mistakes. And in the world of coin collecting, mistakes are miracles. Some 1993 pennies were struck with incredible errors like doubled dies, where inscriptions like Liberty or In God We Trust appear shadowed or duplicated. Such errors, especially in high-grade condition, have the power to catapult the value of a single penny from virtually worthless to being worth millions of dollars. These rare varieties are so sought after that they can spark fierce bidding wars among collectors. Beyond minting errors, the condition of the penny holds supreme importance. A 1993 penny in flawless mint state condition with brilliant luster, sharp details, and no signs of wear, becomes extremely desirable. Coins graded MS-68 or MS-69 are so pristine that they are almost mythical in the collector world. Now imagine a 1993 penny, with both a jaw-dropping mint error and a perfect grade. This combination creates a priceless artifact that serious collectors, museums, and investors will pay millions to own. Rumors also swirl around special planche errors during 1993. Some believe that pennies were mistakenly struck on foreign blanks or experimental metal compositions. Imagine finding a 1993 penny that feels lighter, looks slightly off color, or has a strange metallic sound when dropped. It could be an experimental planche coin, a true unicorn in the collecting world. These rarities, nearly impossible to replicate, are the ultimate dream for any numismatist and command astronomical prices at secretive private auctions. Adding an extra twist, there's the influence of bicentennial pride and experimental shifts, spilling over from Canada's mintage traditions. Although Queen Elizabeth II does not directly feature on U.S. coins, the spirit of celebration and innovation from Canada's bicentennial era occasionally influenced North American coin design philosophies. If you stumble upon a 1993 U.S. penny that appears to have subtle design anomalies or unfamiliar stylistic traits, it could very well be an ultra-rare crossover creation, a priceless mistake that serious collectors would kill to own. If you think you have a 1993 penny that's anything but ordinary, whether it's off-center, misaligned, doubled, wrong metal, or simply too perfect, do not, under any circumstances, sell it hastily. First, protect it carefully. Second, get it professionally graded by experts like PCGS or NGC. Certification unlocks true value and ensures that your once-in-a-lifetime treasure is recognized by the highest echelons of the collecting community. Only with proper authentication can you tap into the world of million-dollar coin auctions. Remember, history's most legendary coin finds were not made by seasoned experts, but often by everyday people, casually checking their change. Your 1993 penny could be that one in a billion discovery, the kind that turns a regular day into an unforgettable fortune, whether found tucked inside an old wallet, hidden among childhood savings, or mixed in loose change at the bottom of a drawer. These coins prove that incredible luck often hides where you least expect it. So before you spend or overlook that little 1993 penny, take a good hard look. Examine every detail, admire its condition, and dream about its possibilities, because in that tiny circle of copper lies the chance of a lifetime. The power to move from ordinary to extraordinary, from dreamer to billionaire, from anonymous to unforgettable. Your destiny could be sitting right in the palm of your hand, waiting for you to notice it. The 1999 United States of America 1-cent coin, commonly called the Lincoln Memorial penny, might seem like just another ordinary coin, passing through millions of hands every day. But hidden among these humble copper-plated treasures are a few, unbelievably rare specimens that could instantly catapult you into unimaginable wealth. These rare 1999 pennies are not just collectible items. They are fortune makers, sleeping giants ready to wake up and rewrite your destiny overnight if you are lucky enough to recognize them. In 1999, the U.S. Mint was bustling, preparing for the new millennium and producing coins in massive quantities. With the rush came errors, beautiful, rare, and highly valuable mistakes. Some 1999 pennies were struck with astonishing double-die errors, where Lincoln's profile, the words, "In God We Trust," "Liberty," or even the date itself appear eerily duplicated or shadowed. These double-die varieties, especially when preserved in mint condition, are so rare and so sought after that they can easily command jaw-dropping sums at major auctions. Condition is the golden key that unlocks unimaginable value in the world of rare coins. If you hold a 1999 penny in uncirculated mint state condition, free of scratches, bag marks, or dullness, you already possess something special. Graded MS-68 or higher, a flawless 1999 penny with or without an error can attract fierce attention from elite collectors. But add in a significant error like off-center strikes, broad strikes, or wrong planche anomalies, and you're looking at a coin that could turn you into a multi-millionaire practically overnight. The mystery deepens, with reports of experimental planches in the late 1990s. Some 1999 pennies may have been mistakenly struck on experimental blanks made from different metal compositions, resulting in slight weight differences or unusual coloration. Imagine holding a 1999 penny that feels a little lighter or shines with an odd metallic tint. You could be looking at a once-in-a-lifetime discovery. Rare experimental pieces like these are priceless to serious numismatists and investors worldwide. Interestingly, during this period, North American mints, including Canada, were buzzing with innovative designs and bicentennial commemorations that influenced minting strategies. Even though Queen Elizabeth II does not appear on U.S. coins, the era's spirit of experimentation sometimes led to strange mint mix-ups or unusual striking errors. A 1999 penny with unexpected design elements, alignment issues, or plancher differences could reflect these unseen transitions, making it an even more desirable and rare find. If you suspect that you own a 1999 penny that is different, whether because of a double die, off-metal strike, experimental blank, or near-perfect condition, treat it like gold. Do not clean it, alter it, or casually spend it. Instead, have it immediately authenticated and graded by trusted experts like PCGS, Professional Coin Grading Service, or NGC, Numismatic Guarantee Company. Only after professional certification will the full mind-blowing value of your coin be recognized and respected by top-tier collectors and investors. Imagine the moment when you realize your simple pocket change holds the key to life-changing riches. History has shown again and again that major coin finds happen not in banks or treasuries, but in the hands of ordinary people, dreamers, believers, and lucky individuals who simply took a closer look. Your 1999 penny could be the silent fortune you never knew you were carrying, the hidden spark that could ignite a billionaire future without any warning. So before you toss that 1999 penny into a vending machine or drop it into a tip jar, take a second, slow down, and look again. Examine every line, every shine, every subtle twist of the metal. Because hidden within that small, unassuming cent could be the key to unlimited wealth. The dream you've waited your whole life to realize. Sometimes, the biggest fortunes hide inside the smallest coins, and sometimes fate chooses you to find them.